Hello, welcome back to the Clinton of Finance channel. It's been quite a while and I'm excited to get back to serving you amazing content that would enable you grow, build your career, get relevant digital skills so you can work remotely and make more money online. On today's session, I'll be sharing some useful sites where you can get computer science education, especially introductory courses, or you want to get into programming. I'll be sharing 2-3 relevant sites that would help you get on that. Like I mentioned in the video where I said there are 10 digital skills that anyone can get started with. One of the high in demand digital skills is actually computer programming. A lot of people want to get into tech by coding, and for a lot they don't have that early background that enables them to teach what computer science is, computer hardware, computer software, and then before they get into the coding languages. So on this particular video, I'll be simplifying, sharing some valuable places you can get started with that journey of yours. So stay locked in. My first top recommendation will be the Harvard CS50 course. The Harvard CS50 course is an introduction to computer science. It's sponsored by Harvard. It's free until the 31st of December 2024. If you're fast, depending on the time you see this video, you can finish this in 2 weeks, which means you can gain the knowledge. It's not a certified course, but it's because of the quality of the knowledge within it. It's a highly sought after course, so you can go through this course, get the knowledge. If you want the certification, it costs a fee, though I'm going to still share other free ones with you. So the first thing you type is Harvard CS50 course. Once it pops up, you click on the first link you see, and once you come in here, it's sponsored by Harvard University. It's an introduction course. Like I said, here are the things you learn within the course: a proper broad understanding of computer science and programming, how to think, how to read meekly, and solving programming problems efficiently. It teaches a lot of, gets you familiar with the early coding languages you should know: C, Python, SQL, JavaScript+, and the rest of them. So once you come here, you need to quickly just click on learn more, and that would take you to the EDX platform. EDX is a platform where you can take digital courses. They're in partnership with Harvard for this particular program. So once it comes here, see, it's a 12-week course. It's self-paced. It's free. For the knowledge, for the education, it's free. The training is free, but if you want the certification, they are charging a fee for it. Okay, so this course, so simply just say click to enroll. I'm going to quickly log out. So this is what shows once you click on learn more. It brings you here, and once the tab is open, you would notice more details about the course. It's free, like I said, for the knowledge, but to get the certification, there's a fee to it. This particular program, Harvard are in partnership with EDX. EDX is a platform where you can learn digital skills. So simply click enrolled, and all you have to simply do once the page opens is to register. So fill in your name, your email, your username, password, your region, create an account, and you're good to go. I'm going to, I think I have someone's account, or an account here that is available for someone learning here as well. So you see, you can take a certification paid for, or you can just access the course, gain the knowledge for free. This particular course is very wholesome. It covers a lot of the basics you need if you pay attention to understand computer science, especially if you want to get into tech as a programmer and you're coming from a non-computer science background. So this is the syllabus. Let's just go to the syllabus. so you see what is covered within this particular program. So come in, we go back to course. So this is the full program. So for week 1 you learn Scratch, for week 2 you learn C, you learn arrays, algorithms, memory, data structures, Python, artificial intelligence, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you learn Flask, and you learn some cyber security. These were the updated ones. This is what it used to be, almost similar but with updated information. So if you come through on this course and you finish going through this, there will be some assignments, but it's supposed to be like a beginner, introduction. And if you're able to pay for the certification, you can go ahead. Like I said, even accessing this for free would no longer be possible after 31st of December. So if you're not able to, if you're watching this video after 2024, it means you may not be able to, unless they give an extension, you may not be able to access this free course from Harvard. But that's it's not really a bad news, because I'll be sharing other valuable platforms that you can use to still gain some entry-level knowledge about computer science. The next one I'll be going on, assuming you don't want to go through the Harvard process, is another free platform that allows you learn computer science. It's called Fullstackopen.com. This particular one is not really entry level. This is where you can learn the programming itself. So this is not a computer science training. It's a place if you want to get into tech by learning coding. They have a course then it's a full stack course, so which means you learn how to code on the front end and also on the back end. Most of the course materials here are written in text. If that works for you, feel free to sign up through the menu button, sign up on the course and get started with it. So here are the courses: fundamentals of web app. If I click on any of them, I'll access it. Introduction to React, servers, Node.js and Express. And these are just everything you find within the Fullstack Open program down to part 13. I believe these are going to be very useful for you if you are looking to get into tech as a programmer, as a software developer. Another resource I would share, the third site or resource where you can actually gain practical coding knowledge, is on FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp, simply just type FreeCodeCamp on your browser and it's open and you'll be able to log in. It's a free platform where you can watch a lot of content, video and text as well on computer science and how to become a programmer. So you see, learn to code for free, build projects and certifications, get started is for free. So you simply just want to get started by clicking on this and creating an account with them. Once you do that, you'd be able to get in and choose which part of the course you want to take. People that, if you go on a mobile app or like any app you have on your phone, whatever you're seeing on the app is called the front end. If you go on your, let's say, food app, your ride sharing app where you book rides online, or even where you book food online, any app, your Facebook, what you're seeing on the surface, Facebook doesn't look like Twitter doesn't look like Instagram. They might have similar features, but what you're seeing on each of those platforms is called the front end. So those that code front end are called front end developers. Those that code the back end, so if you write a post on Facebook, for example, and if you make a post on Facebook, for example, and you click send and it goes through, what makes it go through for people to now see that you've made a post is actually the job done at the back end. So Full stack is when you learn both the front and the back. So I just wanted to share that for more context for those that might be wondering. Okay, the fourth platform where you can learn computer science, I'm going to be sharing 5 in this particular video. The fourth place where you can learn free computer science skills is on Udemy. So simply just type free computer science courses Udemy, and once you do that, you get top free computer science courses and tutorials online. And you come here. Udemy is the platform where you can learn a lot of skills online. Anything you want to learn is here. It gives you the opportunity to learn from people all around the world. Most of the see the price is $7.9 for a wholesome course. That's what people spend on data in a month. And people, if you don't have money to go to university, why not come on Udemy, pay for a complete course, and get free from excuses or from any limiting factor around you. So these are free courses on computer science. You can take any of them. There are also paid ones. You also type computer science courses for beginners. You would see other recommendations. They might not be free, but they are usually quite affordable. Look at them. For programmers, 8,900. Depending on your country, it might show you the prices in your local currency. So these are the platforms for you to learn how to become a professional software engineer and gaining relevant computer science knowledge. Another platform, and the final one I recommend in this video, is Coursera. Coursera has free courses. I'm not usually into free. I like to pay for valuable things. I'm also mentioning a lot of free because of those that might not have the means. But if you have the means, get a proper course on any of these platforms, and it will do you a lot of good. I'd also open this. So computer science on Coursera, there are lots of courses here. Lots of courses here that you can take. I would simply just come here. What do you want to learn? I'll just say computer science for beginners. And here you'd see a lot of these courses. Some are 1 to 3 months, depending on what you're looking for. Introduction to computer science and programming. Just look at these courses, go through them, pay for the ones you may need to pay for. And I want to see you at the top. I want to see you do well. I want to see you get better. Now that you've seen this course, you see that there are countless, numerous ways in which you can get past your limiting factors or any challenge you might have had in the past. I'm not computer science inclined. You can actually get these trainings and take your life further without any bits of limitation. So whether you can afford it or you don't have the means to pay for a course, there are paid versions of what you need to do. In wrapping up this particular video, I simply want to tell you to stay believing. You always look for the next best option. There's always something to do. There's always another way to do whatever you want to achieve. Don't always get stuck when there is a first challenge you encounter. Don't get stuck. Okay, don't get stuck. So for me, I want to be able to urge you to not give up, to do your best, and I'll see you at the top. Take care. Until next time. Bye.